guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's 7:30 in the evening and I'm gonna do some experiment with my hair. Like, it's been 26 years and I didn't even do any experiment with my hair. Like, I go to the salon, cut my hair and then come back home. I haven't done anything like not even a hair spa or nothing. Just जो shampoo और conditioner जो लगाने का रहता है घर पे वो लगा लेता हूँ and then it's over. So as my sister is home, so she just told me to do a hair straightening experiment. So let's see how it goes. अगर अच्छा दिखा तो मैं अपलोड करूँगा, नहीं तो नहीं. So this is the type of hair I have a curly hair. So I'll just open this hair. ऐसा अटक जाता है. ठीक है, I'll see you. So this is the Tresemme heat protect that I'm gonna use, and this is my sister's hair straightener. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, धुआं देख रहे हो? I really like the smell of this aroma. I really like my room getting a good smell, and that is the reason I put this daily. We can't stop us together. We're better off, and we can't. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, a toe-to-toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, 'cause together we're better off. It's looking cool, yeah. So the reason I don't do all this straightening and all thing is because as I'm into safety field, at least for 14 hours I have to wear a safety helmet, that is hard hat. So hairstyle का क्या करने का है? So I just leave it easily. Like, I don't even treat my hair well. This is the first time that I'm happy with my hair. It's become smooth also. And so that's it for the day, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed, and stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye, signing off.